Okay, so I'm going to try a demonstration of the new Braille screen input in iOS 18. So they've made it a lot simpler to use and get in and out of. So I'm in a text field. I'm just in the Notes app. I'm in a new Notes application, or a new note, I mean. And I have my phone turned with the charging port to the left. So the two short sides of the phone are on the left and right side of me, and the long sides of the phone are um, going left to right, in front, and in back, like. And the volume buttons are facing away from me, and the power button is facing toward me, the side button. So the way you get into Braille screen input is you do two fingers on either side of the screen. So one finger on the right, one finger on the left. And you just double tap at the same time with those two fingers. And you'll hear
Braille screen input.
Braille screen input. Now your phone becomes like a Perkins Braille reader, basically. Um, so what you will do is probably should first calibrate your dots. So what that means is that you're showing the phone where you want the dots to be. So you put your dots 4, 5, 6 down first, and then your 1, 2, 3 quickly after that. So use your pinky, middle, and ring finger on each hand, just like you would on a Braille writer. You do dots 4, 5, 6, and dots 1, 2, 3 quickly after that. It takes a little bit of practice, but you should hear
Dot positions calibrated.
dot positions calibrated. Now you can just type in Braille, so I can just say
Dot 6.
dot 6.
Cap O.
Whoops. Now the backspace you do a swipe to the left. So
Dots 135.
dots 1 through 5. Let me try an H again.
Cap H.
There we go.
I.
High.
Space. High.
And space is a swipe to the right with one finger.
TH. Space. This. IS. Space. A. Space. A. TEST. Period.
And I'm just typing like I would normally type in Braille. Now when you're done with what you want to type and you want to go back to using your iPhone normally, you just take two fingers and pull them away from each other. So I have my two pinky fingers and I just set them on the screen and then I slide them in opposite directions, and you should hear
Characters. Stopping Braille screen input. Test.
stopping Braille screen input. Now I did have to go into my settings and set it to contracted Braille. Let me show you that. If I say open voiceover settings,
Settings. Delay before selection. Zeros. Button. Double tap timeout. 0.35s. Delay. Caption panel. Large cursor. Navigate image.
I'm just
Navigation
swiping
style.
around my
Quick
phone
settings
here.
up. Quick setting. Typing. Activities. Rotor. Commands. Audio. Verbose. Voiceover. Braille. Brilliant BI40X. Speech. Button. Braille. Braille.
So I go into Braille settings here.
Bluetooth is required to use the Braille. No. Button.
Okay, it's just telling me that my Bluetooth is turned
Voiceover.
off.
Back button.
So I can do this demonstration. So
Braille. Tip. Close button. In the home screen. Turn on Bluetooth. Match input and output. Input and output. English. Unit. Braille screen input. Button.
I go into Braille screen input.
Type in Braille. Launch apps. And control your device using Braille screen input. Place one finger from each hand at the top and bottom edges of the screen and